So this is the second part of the first lecture, in which we are talking about the mountain ranges of India, especially about the peninsular mountain ranges. So we'll start from the Vindhya ranges where we last left. So the geographical location of the Vindhya ranges, as we have already seen, it is primarily located in the central India. It extends across the states of Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, and parts of Rajasthan and Gujarat. Please remember the states and note these down, or note these down in a map. The physical characteristics we'll see. So they are known for its relatively low altitude. That means the elevation is relatively low and gradual slopes. It serves as a natural boundary between the Indo-Gangetic Plain to the north and the Deccan Plateau to the south. So it serves as a basic boundary between the north and south. What is the geological significance? They are composed of sedimentary rocks. Please remember this. Primary sandstone and limestone. So these are the most common types of rock found in the northern plateau also, the sandstone and the limestone. It is an important geological feature and has played a significant role in shaping the topography and drainage pattern of central India. Okay, when we talk about the cultural and historical significance, so they have cultural and historical importance in Indian civilization. It is mentioned in ancient Hindu scriptures and has been associated with various mythological narratives. The range is also known for housing several historic sites and temples. When we talk about the biodiversity, this region includes wildlife reserves and national parks such as Bandhavgarh National Park, Panna National Park, which are important for conservation. They are in Madhya Pradesh. Okay, let's talk about the another map in which we can clearly see the Vindhya ranges. These extends up to Chhattisgarh also. Okay, but these run parallel to the Satpura range. Please just remember these two things. And they create a rift valley here in between themselves, through which Narmada and Mahi river flow. As we have already seen in the first lecture, the origin of the Narmada river is Amarkantak mountains. So they are extension of the Satpura range. Right now we are dealing with the Vindhya ranges. So as we have already seen that they are long ranges with gradual slopes and low elevation, running parallel to the Satpura range. Just a second. The other things we can see in this map is Amarkantak here, along with the Mekal Hills and the Mahadev mountain. This is Satpura range and this is Dhupgarh. Ajanta, Balaghat, Harishchandra and Satamala we have already seen. This is Dodhap. These are not very important. So let's just focus on the main ranges. You can see a pattern here. Please notice the pattern. It will become easier for you to remember that these ranges run like this. Recently we made some pattern in the mineral lecture as well. So this closely resembles the pattern of the iron mineral that we saw. Aluminum was here if you remember. Copper was here if you remember. And titanium was in the banks of Tamil Nadu. All right. Let's move further. So Satpura range again we can see. Satpura range is divided into three parts. These all can form a question easily. So one is Mekal. This is Mahadev range. And this is Rajpipala range. Okay. Let's come down to the Sahyadri ranges now, which are also known as the Western Ghats. So the Sahyadri range or the Western Ghats is a mountain range that runs parallel to the western coast of India, stretching over 6 states. Please remember these 6 states. These are Gujarat. I'll just make a map. So Gujarat, then Maharashtra, small state Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu. So Tamil Nadu also includes the Western Ghats. Please remember this. Alright, don't just focus on the Kerala. So physical characteristics, the Sahyadri range is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is known for its breathtaking landscape, lush forest, etc. Features several peaks, plateaus, valleys. Basically, this is the most biodiverse region of India compared to the Himalayan ranges as well. Okay. So let's see the highest peaks of Western Ghats. This is Anaimudi, the elephant's forehead. Location is Kerala. Please remember these states. And elevation is over 2,600 meters. Second is Misa Polimala, Dota Betta. It is highest in the Tamil Nadu, near Ooty. Then Kudremukh in Karnataka. Tandi Tadi Andomol, that is in also Karnataka. Pushpagiri range, it is very famous, Karnataka. Kalsubai in Maharashtra. This is the highest peak of Maharashtra, Kalsubai. Mullayanagiri, it is in Karnataka. Vellari Mala, it is in Kerala. And Makali Durga, it is in Karnataka. So the highest peaks are in lower portion of the Western Ghats, not in Maharashtra, Goa and Gujarat, etc. They are often in the Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala side. The highest peak is in state Kerala, please remember. Alright, let's see one more map for more information. So these are the Satmala, Ajanta, Balaghat and Harishchandra ranges. Again and again, you must have remembered by now already. Baba Budan Hills, Karnataka, Nilgiri in the gap between the northern Western Ghats and the southern Western Ghats, you can say. Anamalai, Anaimudi. Agasthamala, this map displays it in the north of the Cardamom, but they are actually in the south of the Cardamom Hills. You can see on the Google Earth. Okay. Verushinath, Palani, Javadi, Shevaroy, Panchamalai, these are all in the Tamil Nadu. Already we have seen and remembered by now. Nagari, Palikonda, Lakkimala, Nallamala, Velikonda, these are all in the Andhra Pradesh. You must have also remembered by now. Another Nayangarh Hills, Mahendragiri, Malgoda Konda, Rampa Hills, these are also in the Andhra Pradesh. Very easy to remember. Okay, let's focus on the next maps. The very important feature one is this Palaghat gap. So this makes a gap in the Western Ghats here and the southern mountain ranges of the Kerala and Tamil Nadu here. You can see the Anamalai Hills here, Cardamom Plateau, Shenkota Pass. So pass means the gap between the mountains. It was also recently in news as the elephants are not able to move between their biodiverse areas between these both ranges. This is Kodaikanal, a very famous hill station in Tamil Nadu. Meganmalai Hills, these are also in Tamil Nadu. Let's see the formation of Western Ghat here near the lower part of the Gujarat, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, Maharashtra here. And in the Tamil Nadu as well. This map is especially to for this information that Tamil Nadu also has Western Ghats. Please do not forget this fact. This can come as a direct question. Okay, let's move to the third option now, which is about the Satpura range. So Satpura range spans across the states of Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh and Gujarat. So please, whenever we talk about the states, please remember all the four states. That Satpura is across Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. Mainly in Madhya Pradesh, however, and Maharashtra. It extends approximately 900 kilometers in length and runs parallel to the Vindhyas. The Satpura range is characterized by rugged terrain, deep valleys, dense forest and high plateaus. Average elevation ranges from 600 to 1300 meters, which peaks reaching height of 1500 meters. So this is also a rather tall mountain when we talk about the Satpura range and higher than the Vindhya range. This can come as an option, a statement as a fact. Everybody might be knowing already that where is Vindhya, where is Satpura. What is not known that Vindhyas are lower than Satpura. Alright. So this can be divided into three main sections. Eastern Satpura range, it contains Mahadev Hills, Ramketri, Dhupgarh, which is the highest point in the range. Central Satpura range, it is located in Maharashtra and this has Chikaldara, Harishchandragarh and Salthar. These are not very important. Western Satpura range, it is in Maharashtra and Gujarat and characterized by hills, plateaus, etc. Some important are Pavagadh in Gujarat and Toranmal in Maharashtra. These both are important. Pavagadh especially is important. Okay, when we talk about the biodiversity, please remember the areas, conservation areas. One is Satpura National Park. Another is Melaghat Tiger Reserve. Please remember the national parks, tiger reserves, as well as Ramsar sites also. Ramsar site gave a question this year. Panch National Park, Panch, Kanha, Panna, All of these are located in the mountain ranges only. Okay. So this is the map. This is Kuno. Right now it was much in news because of the Cheetah project. This is a map of Madhya Pradesh. This is Madhav National Park, Panna. So these are in the Vindhya ranges. All of these, Panna, Banvihar, and they run close to the Aravalli ranges in the Rajasthan. This is the Narmada and Son Valley. This is Bandhavgarh National Park, Sanjay National Park, or we can say Rajiv Gandhi National Park. These are Maikal Hills near Amarkantak, Mahadev ranges and the Satpura, Rajpipla. So Satpura is divided into three different portions. You can see here, while Vindhyas are rather continuous. So please make a table of difference between the Vindhyas and the Satpura. While they are close, they are different in the elevation, they are different in their continuity. All right. And please also remember which national parks lie close to which of the mountains. Okay, one more we can see here. This is the map of Narmada River. So Narmada River flows towards this side. There are various different tributaries to it. Mahadev range is here, Maikal range is here, and Amarkantak hills are here in the most eastern portion. This is Maharashtra. We have already seen these four: Ajanta ranges, Balaghat ranges, Harishchandra ranges, and the Satmala ranges, Chandur. This is Gulf of Khambat, Western Ghats. These maps are very useful. Please remember them. These are Kamur hills. Okay, they are close to the Maikal hills. Okay, let's come to the, just a second, second option. So the easternmost part of the Satpura range is formed by the Mahadev Hills. The Mahadev Hills are a section of the range that extend into Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh in central India. And Mahadev Peak is located within the Amarkantak region in the Indian state of Madhya Pradesh. In fact, the Mahadev Peak is the highest point in the Amarkantak range. So this denies our second statement of the question. All right, we'll talk about all that. The next one is the BR Hills, very famous in Bangalore side, Biligirirangan Hills. Very good cycling spot also. So BR Hills, also known as Biligirirangan Hills, are a range of hills located in the Charmaraja district of Karnataka. The geographical location, they are situated at the confluence of the Eastern Ghats and the Western Ghats. They are very important because of this. This is Western Ghats, this is Eastern Ghats, and they are located here. Okay, so they form a part of the larger Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve here also, and bordered by the Kaveri River in the north and the Moyar River in the south. The hills are located known for their rich biodiversity and serve as an important wildlife corridor between the western and eastern Ghats. The area is home to diverse flora and fauna, including several endangered species, etc. And it's a home to elephant, gorse, tigers, various different fauna. Okay, so this is also important that it is inhabited by various tribal communities such as Solega, Jenu, Kurubas, and they have deep connection with the forest, etc. Conservation effort, you can see Biligirirangan Temple Wildlife Sanctuary. So it's a WLS. So very important, you can remember by this. And it was established in 1974. Second, it is an ecotourism destination. All right. So this is located here, BR Hills. Just a second, I'll make in map. Okay, so these are the Western Ghats. These are Nagarhole and Bandipur. These both are in Karnataka here. BR Hills are also in Karnataka near the Bangalore. These are the Eastern Ghats and Satyamangalam Tiger Reserve. Very, very important again. Okay. Just a second. Okay, let's come here and see some important portions from the, just a second. Okay, so these are Chittoor Hills. Just a second. This is Mangalore in southern Karnataka. Then we go on here towards the Mysore side and the Bangalore side, and here we see the BR Hills in the Melagiri. This is Coimbatore and the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve here in the south of Karnataka towards the north of Kerala and Tamil Nadu in the Kerala. Just a second. Okay, this is Annamalai here near the Periyar Tiger Reserves, and Annamudai. Also these hills are Agasthamala Hills and the Cardamom Hills here. When we go towards upper side on the Tamil Nadu, we see Kollimalai Hills, Shevaroy Hills, and Javadi Hills also, the Palar Hills. And we can keep on moving towards the Andhra Pradesh, where we see the Nallamala Hills and Seshachalam Hills here. This will also form a part of our question. Just a second. Okay, let's see another map of the same thing. We can see more mountains here. You can download all these maps or take a screenshot from here. Just a second. These are Baba Budan Hills again. Brahmagiri range. Very important Brahmagiri ranges. Alright, Palaghat Gap. We have already seen this. This is Annamalai. Nilgiris. We have already seen this. This is Annamalai Hills. And then we can see Palani Hills. Megamalai Hills. Periyar National Park, Senkota Gap. This is also very, very important. Often ignored, this Senkota Gap. But it is in south of the Palaghat Gap. So please remember this gap also, Senkota Gap. And we have already seen these two hills, the Agasthamala and the Cardamom Hills. Okay. These are Cardamom Hills here, as we've seen on the Google Maps. And these are the Agasthamala Hills. So Agasthamala Hills form the southernmost part of the Western Ghats. Southernmost part of the Western Ghats is formed by the Agasthamala Hills. Okay. So southernmost part of the Western Ghats is formed by the Agasthamala Hills. These are located in the southernmost part of the Indian state of Kerala, near the border with Tamil Nadu. And these are known for their ecological significance and are part of the Agasthamala Biosphere Reserve, which is recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. When we talk about the Seshachalam Hills, they are located in the eastern Ghats of Andhra Pradesh and situated in the southernmost part of the Indian state of Andhra Pradesh, bordering the state of Tamil Nadu. They are part of the eastern Ghat mountain ranges running parallel to the eastern coast. Okay, this also holds immense religious significance. So you can read about this. The important portion is this: Seshachalam Hills are known for their rich biodiversity and unique ecosystem. Please read about this tropical dry deciduous forest. So one question came from here about the teak and mahua. So they were the tropical moist deciduous forest, not dry. So it serves as an habitat for the diverse flora and fauna, including several endemic and endangered species. These are Nilgiri. Here you can see the Seshachalam Hills also. Just a second. Let's revise very quickly. Satmala, Trambekeshwar, Kudermukh Hills in Karnataka, Nilgiri, Palani Hills in Tamil Nadu, Cardamom Hills in Tamil Nadu, Agasthamala Hills here, the southernmost part, Annamalai Hills, and located close is Anaimudi Peak, also in Kerala, same. Alright, so let's quickly move now to the eastern Ghats, where we can see the Seshachalam Hills here. South of them is Javadi Hills, Nilgiri Mountain, Nallamala Hills, etc. Okay. So what are the eastern Ghats? When we talk about the eastern Ghats, what are the highest and the lowest mountain ranges? So Mahendragiri is the highest mountain ranges among them. Then there is Shevaroy in Tamil Nadu, Jindaghada Peak in Odisha, Seshachalam in Andhra Pradesh, one of our options. Simlipal, it's also a national park. So in Odisha, Palakonda Hills, Andhra Pradesh, Palamalai Hills in Andhra Pradesh, Araku Hills, very important for the tribal region, they are in Andhra Pradesh, Araku Valley, Nallamala Hills again in Andhra Pradesh. So the highest one is Mahendragiri Parvat. Okay, so let's come to the solution of the question. So what the question asked us, let us see again. After knowing all this information, I hope we can easily solve the question. So let's come to the first statement that Amarkantak Hills are at the confluence of Vindhya and Sahadri ranges. So Vindhya ranges are here, Sahadri ranges are here, Amarkantak ranges are here. So this statement is incorrect. They are part of the Satpura range in fact. So first statement remains incorrect. Okay, let's talk about the second option. Biligirirangan Hills constitute the easternmost part of the Satpura range. Satpura range's easternmost part is considered of the Mahadev Hills and Mekal range, Amarkantak Hills. Biligirirangan mountains are here on entirely different portion, entirely different part. So this option is also incorrect. Let's see about the third option, that Seshachalam Hills constitute the southernmost part of the Western Ghats. Seshachalam Hills are here in the Eastern Ghat. How can they constitute the southernmost part of the Western Ghat? So this statement is also incorrect because the lowest part of the Western Ghat is constituted by Agasthamala Hills. Agasthamala Hills. So this statement is also incorrect. So finally, what is our answer? That none of these statements are correct and our answer is D. So we'll get plus marks from here. Alright. So this will be our answer and this was the end of the lecture from here. So I hope you understood a lot of mountains and will remember about them pictographically. You can download all these maps. So see you in the next video. Keep studying, have a good day, and be bright.